Hello everyone, my name is Shai, and today I'm bringing you yet another reaction to Great Sage. Great Sage equaling Heaven, if I remember the name correctly, because I have it written down as Great Sage. But this is on the next Sound of War, the show where Hua Chenyu is given a song and has only 24 hours to prepare for it. I swear I've done this like 3 times before, but I'm pretty sure I've mentioned that, like, I feel like no matter how many versions I react to, it's going to be different than the ones that I've seen previously. So I'm kind of excited for this because, again, you have to bear in mind that he, how do I want to put this? He arranged this and did everything with this in 24 hours. So I'm pretty excited for this. So without further ado, this is Hua Chenyu singing Great Sage Equaling Heaven. Here we go. And I do apologize for my voice again. What? Like I said, different. Okay. Must kind of suck though for this program to be like, oh, you know, I'm going against Hua Chenyu. This boy is a genius. Ooh. I swear, he always has, unless it's part of the stage, but he always has those to stand on. And I feel like that's like a Hua Chenyu exclusive. Those boxes. Ooh! dude, how many times do I have to say it? Hua Chenyu is a genius. Especially on this show. 24 hours? And like I said, it must be like nerve-wracking to find out that you're going against, or like you have to like challenge Hua Chenyu, or like you're challenging Hua Chenyu. But I feel like the versions that I've seen so far were less intense than this one. This one was like super intense. But Hua Chenyu, man, like I said, this dude's a genius, an absolute genius. Like his ability to make songs that are not even his own seem like his own, and like tell stories that seem like his own but are actually his own. I've always been impressed by him ever since I started reacting to him. Literally have no words. This always happens, especially when I react to stuff from this show. It's just like, once it hits me that like, this dude made an entirely new song in 24 hours. It's just like, how? You have to be an absolute genius, or absolutely like, just an absolute genius at this point to be able to do that. But like I said, this is probably like my third video of this of this song in particular. And like I've mentioned before, it doesn't matter how many versions I watch. I know it. I have a feeling that it's going to be a lot different than what I have seen so far. This one seems a little bit more intense than the ones that I've seen before. Like it's more hard hitting than the ones that I've seen. I don't know if it's because like the ones that I've seen were like, what versions of this did I actually do? Hold on. I'm pretty sure like the two other versions I've done of this are like at his concert. So it's a little less intense, a little bit more fun, I guess you can say, for his audience, for his fans. Have I done this before? It's probably under a different name at this point. I don't know. But yes, Hua Chenyu, no matter how many times I get requested a song and I'm like, I've seen it already. Normally I flat out, refuse to listen to this, like, the same song by the same artist, like when they do a lot of performances with that song. Like, I don't do that because I know that it's going to be the same. I don't care how many times you listen to it, it's going to be the same performance, same everything. With Hua Chenyu, it's always different. It's just different either subtly or very noticeably. And that's what I love about him. So, simply put, this dude's a genius. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but this dude's a genius. And like I said, no matter how many times, I could basically get requested the same song over and over again by Hua Chenyu, and I have a feeling that it will be different, unlike artists that I have seen before. Like I said, I normally do not do requests that ask for me to react to the same song, because most of the artists I listen to, obviously they do it the same way, mainly because it's how they're like taught and everything. With Hua Chenyu, it's always different, so I look forward to that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. If you did, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.